The following portion of Daytime Tri-Cities is sponsored by BG Paving. Today we're out here on a job site. It is a gorgeous day, and we're out here with BG Paving today, and I'm with Stephen Lawrence. And Stephen, BG Paving, y'all do tar and chip, you do asphalt paving as well. Let's talk about the difference in between those two.
Yeah, well, there's quite a bit of differences, obviously. We've got tar and chip will be more of a permanent rock driveway. It will have a hard surface, but you will have some loose gravel in it. It's more durable than just regular loose gravel. It'll last longer than loose gravel as well, so you'll get a longer lifespan out of it. It's cheaper than asphalt. It's very durable, like I've said. We've done quite a bit of it out in Greenville, Tennessee. Started out on some farm lanes out there just because of how durable it is. Obviously, they used to do tar and chip back in the day, early 1900s. That's how roads used to be done. So that's, if you get a tar and chip driveway, you're essentially getting a road, how a road was done back in the early 1900s. Lifespan on it is pretty decent. It's not going to last you as long as asphalt. But that's kind of the pros and cons. It's a little bit cheaper versus asphalt as well.
And you tell me also with tar and chip, it will self-heal itself. If it gets a crack in it, it'll kind of tend to fill back in by itself.
Yeah, it's got some self-healing tendencies. If you get some hairline cracks with the heat of the sun and the liquid asphalt, the liquid tar, it will kind of start to heal itself with the heat and coming back together.
And I think the cost is less than asphalt if you're going to do a big job?
It is. It's significantly cheaper.
And being able, I think we've all driven on a tar and chip road at some time in our life. You really can't tell a whole lot of difference driving wise. And it actually, when it snows and things, you might get a little better traction on that.
Yeah, the rocks on the top surface, the loose rocks, combined with the rocks that are locked in with the tar, just makes more traction. So even though that stuff is loose sometimes, where it's just a rough surface, it's not smooth, they'll kind of lock in on each other and help with traction.
Absolutely. And we were talking about, we're at the beginning of fall right now, and you're still doing some asphalt jobs. But the great thing about tar and chip too is you're able to do that when the weather gets colder.
Correct. Asphalt plants will close down when the winter starts to set in and it gets too cold. Asphalt sets up too quick, obviously, as well. Tar and chip, I can work pretty much year-round with it. Obviously, if it's pouring down snow, we won't come out and work. It's tar. It's coming out. It's over 170 degrees hot, so it's pretty hot. It comes out. We put the rock chips on top of it. We compact it real quick, and then we'll come in through with a second layer of hot tar and a second layer of chips and compact the second layer as well.
And if somebody's wanting to talk to you all about this or maybe get an estimate on a job, all they got to do is pick up the phone, right?
Yep, they can call the office anytime, year-round. We can come out. Our estimates are free, no cost at all. Just give us a shout and we'll get you scheduled.
And when somebody takes a look at their job, they may not know the difference, whether they need tar and chip or they need asphalt. You all will help them determine that as well.
Correct, yeah. Sometimes tar and chip may not be the best fit, and then sometimes tar and chip would be a much better fit.
Right.
You definitely have pros and cons, but that'll also come down to the customer that wants it. For instance, tar and chip has more of a rustic look to it because it's gravel.
Right.
If you get out in an area that's got country look, so on and so forth, a lot of people like that gravel. They don't want to go to asphalt. It's more of the rustic look. So tar and chip, like I said earlier, with the liquid asphalt mixed in with it, just makes it last a whole lot longer than loose gravel will.
And we were talking about the snow and the moisture and everything. If we do get a snow, tar and chip, maybe not want to run a snow plow over top of that like you would with asphalt.
Correct. Asphalt will have a smooth surface. You put that plow down, it'll scrape across it. You wouldn't want to do that on tar and chip at all. You would definitely want to raise it above at least a couple inches and then put a plow across if we get a heavy snow.
But for a lot of us that live here, Southwest Virginia, Western North Carolina, here in East Tennessee, tar and chip may be the way to go.
Yeah, our winters have not been so severe as they typically have been in the past, but we have had more moderate winters here lately. So typically the snow amount that we get, tar and chip would be a good option, especially with the added traction that you would get from not having a smooth surface like you would with asphalt.
All right. Stephen, we appreciate you taking some time with us today, educating us a little bit on the different ways we can get our driveways and our carports and everything done. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, it is BG Paving. Whether you're going to do tar and chip or you're going to do asphalt, they can take care of you. All you got to do is call those numbers that we got on the screen right now.